Bula. My name is Zubida Zabia B. This video is for my UU204 assignment. I have chosen to do a poem on question 4, which is about the environmental challenges of globalization in the Pacific Island countries. The poem I have written is, in the realm of globalization's sway, a world unfolds both bright and grey. With borders blurred and distances crossed, we face environmental challenges exhaust. From distant lands, goods swiftly arrive. Shipped across oceans, we strive to thrive. Yet with progress's gift a heavy toll. Environmental burdens take their role. Forests fall as industries expand, leaving barren landscapes stripped and bland. Species weep, the habitats erased, as globalization's space leaves no space. Smokestacks belch with unyielding might, darkening skies obscuring the light. Pollutants drift, a toxic haze, choking our lungs, shortening our days. The rivers run tainted, their waters impure, as factories release their chemical lure. Ecosystems suffer, fragile and frail, under globalization's relentless trail. Consumption soars with insatiable greed, resources plundered, no heat to need. Landfills grow, mountains of waste, a testament to globalization's haste. But hope remains amidst the strife for the world's peoples embracing life. United we stand, voices right, to mend the wounds, a world to revise. Innovations blooms, a green revolution, seeking sustainable solutions, renewable energy, eco-friendly ways to heal the scars of globalization's craze. Through mindful choices, let us strive to protect the earth, keep it alive. With conscious steps and mindful deeds, we can mitigate globalization's needs. For the path ahead is ours to mold, a world that thrives, not bought or sold. Let unity guide us, our planet will save from environmental challenges brave. Now, I will be discussing as to what my poem has portrayed. Globalization has brought about significant economic and social benefits, but it has also presented several environmental challenges. Here are some of the key environmental challenges associated with globalization that has been discussed in my poem. 1. Deforestation. Globalization has spurred the expansion of industries like agriculture, logging, and mining, often in developing countries with weak environmental regulations. This has resulted in extensive deforestation, particularly in tropical regions, leading to habitat destruction, loss of biodiversity, and increased carbon dioxide emissions. 2. Globalization has accelerated the movement of goods, services, and people across borders, leading to increased industrialization, transportation, and energy consumption. These activities contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, such as carbon dioxide, which are a major driver of climate change. 3. Water scarcity and pollution. Globalization has intensified water use for industrial process and agriculture, leading to overexploitation of water resources and water scarcity in many regions. Furthermore, industrial activities and the disposal of waste products have contributed to water pollution, contaminating water bodies, and posing risk to human health and ecosystems. 4. Loss of biodiversity. Globalization has facilitated the spread of invasive species and the degradation of natural habitats. Increased international trade and tourism have unintentionally introduced non-native species to new environments, threatening native species and disrupting ecosystems. 5. Resource depletion. Globalization has driven an exponential increase in the consumption of natural resources such as minerals, fossil fuels, and fresh water. Unsustainable extraction and production processes have led to resource depletion, often in developing countries where these resources are abundant but poorly managed, exacerbating social and environmental inequalities. 6. Waste generation and disposal. The production and consumption patterns associated with globalizations have generated vast amounts of waste. Many countries, particularly developing ones, lack proper waste management infrastructure, resulting in pollution of land, water, and air through improper waste disposal practices. Addressing these environmental challenges require concerted international efforts and the implementation of sustainable practices. This includes promoting renewable energy sources, adopting cleaner production processes, enforcing stricter environmental regulations, investing in sustainable agriculture, and fostering international cooperation on climate change mitigation and biodiversity conservation. Thank you.